Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and fix a screen recording not available on iPhone problem. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we're simply gonna go ahead step into our video. For the matter, you first of all gonna access your settings and then simply go ahead tap on this option called screen time given below, and here in this section you're gonna scroll down and tap on this content and privacy restrictions. Once you have tapped on it, you're first gonna go ahead tap on this content and privacy restrictions on top, and then the thing is that if it's turned on, then that can cause sometimes those kind of problems. You just have to turn it off and then you're gonna go back. And the other thing that you have to make sure is if your iPhone is streaming in another device over here, then that can also cause the problem. If that is enabled, then you won't be able to screen record, right? So make sure to turn this off, and then afterwards simply try to screen record and the screen recording will be done. So that is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.